Don't buy MOBAPAD M12 wireless until you check this out. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this MOBAPAD M12 wireless changes everything. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the build quality is premium, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it makes your daily routine effortless. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before the price goes back up. Don't buy MOBAPAD M12 wireless until you check this out. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this MOBAPAD M12 wireless changes everything. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after